Today we're going to make hemp milk, which is one of my favorite dairy-free alternatives because it's nut-free and it's made with hemp hearts, which are a complete source of plant-based protein. All you need is 3 simple ingredients and about 5 minutes of time to make it, and I'll also show you 2 other flavor variations if you want to get creative with it. To get started, you'll need a ½ cup of hemp hearts and 4 cups of filtered water. I like to sweeten it with 2 pitted medjool dates, or you can use 1 tablespoon of maple syrup if that's what you have on hand. For extra flavor, you can also add up to 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Blend everything together until it looks smooth and creamy. The hemp hearts should break down completely, but I still like to strain this milk to catch any pieces that might have been missed. You can use a fine mesh strainer for this, or a nut milk bag to get extra smooth results. This hemp milk is ready to use right away, or you can store it in the fridge for up to 4 days. It's normal for homemade non-dairy milks to separate in the fridge, so just be sure to shake it before you use it again. For a fun flavor variation, you can use the same base, starting with a ½ cup of hemp hearts and 4 cups of water. To make a chocolate hemp milk, add in a ¼ cup of cocoa powder and 4 to 5 tablespoons of maple syrup, depending on how sweet you want it to be. For a strawberry hemp milk, you'll use the same base and add in a cup of freshly chopped strawberries, a ½ teaspoon of vanilla, plus 1 to 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. Blend everything together until it looks smooth and creamy. Be sure to strain this one well to catch any strawberry seeds. Serve it right away or store it in the fridge for up to 3 days. This hemp milk is a great way to add some extra plant-based protein to your smoothies.